Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see Verizon 5G home internet versus Starlink, which is better for your home speed, latency and cost compared. Verizon 5G home internet is the clear winner for speed, latency and cost. If you can get it, Starlink is the best and sometimes only choice for reliable high-speed internet in rural or off-grid location. Starlink is best for users in rural or remote locations who have no other high-speed options and are willing to pay a higher monthly fee and upfront hardware cost. Verizon 5G home internet is more cost effective for users in areas with a strong 5G coverage, offering lower monthly rate, no equipment fees, and long term price stability. Price comparison Verizon versus Starlink. Verizon price provider Verizon 5G home plan name 5G home download speed up to 300 Mbps, upload speed up to 20 Mbps, standard price no bundle $50 per month, price with mobile bundle $35 per month, price guarantee 3 years, equipment fee none, installment fees none. Verizon 5G home plan name 5G Home Plus. Download speed up to 1000 Mbps. Upload speed up to 50 Mbps. Standard price no bundle $70 per month. Price with mobile bundle $55 per month. Price guarantee 4 years. Equipment fees none. Installation fees none. Starlink price. Starlink residential internet cost $120 per month with a one-time hardware fee of $349 to $599 for the Starlight dish and router. There is also a light plan starting at $80 per month in some regions. Verizon 5G home internet costs $35 to $70 per month with no upfront equipment fees and price are locked for 3 to 4 years if you bundle with a Verizon mobile plan. Starlink costs $120 per month for residential service plus a $349 to $599 upfront equipment fee. There are no contract, but the monthly cost and initial investment are much higher than Verizon. Here is the note: Verizon is significantly more affordable for most users in covered areas, while Starlink's high price is justified by its nearly universal availability, especially in rural and remote locations. Speed comparison Verizon versus Starlink. Verizon 5G Home. Download speed typical 85 to 1000 Mbps. Upload speed 10 to 50 Mbps. Note: speed varies by proximity to 5G towers and network congestion. Best speed is strong coverage areas. Starlink. Download speed 50 to 250 Mbps. Upload speed 10 to 40 Mbps. Notes: speed can fluctuate due to weather obstructions and satellite availability. Most users see 100 to 200 Mbps. Summary: Verizon 5G home internet can deliver higher peak speed than Starlink, especially in urban and suburban areas with a strong 5G coverage. Starlink speed are consistent for satellite but generally lower than Verizon 5G's top range. Latency comparison Verizon versus Starlink. Provider Verizon 5G home latency 10 to 30 ms nodes can reach single digit ms near tower, ideal for gaming and video calls. Starlink 25 to 50 ms latency nodes lower than traditional satellite but still higher than 5G, can be affected by weather and network congestion. Verizon 5G home internet is significantly more affordable with monthly rates starting at $35 with Verizon mobile bundle and no upfront equipment cost. Starlink costs $120 per month plus a $599 upfront fee for the satellite dish and router. Availability comparison Verizon versus Starlink. Verizon 5G home internet best for urban and suburban areas with a strong 5G coverage, not widely available in rural or remote locations. Starlink available almost anywhere with a clear view of the sky, especially valuable in rural, remote, or underserved regions where other broadband options are limited or non existent. Final recommendation: choose Verizon 5G home internet if you live in a city or suburb with a strong 5G coverage and want faster speed, lower latency, and much lower monthly and upfront cost. Choose Starlink if you live in a rural or remote area where cable, fiber, or 5G home internet is not available. Starlink's global satellite coverage can bring broadband where nothing else can, despite higher cost and slightly higher latency. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.